In this P&C question from the end 2008 paper, okay, we are looking at a group of diplomats to be chosen from 3 islands. So there are 3 islands. The group is to consist of 8 diplomats. So whatever I do, I'm only choosing 8 diplomats from the set of 12, consisting of 3 from K, 4 from L, and 5 from M. Now in this case, the arrangement is not important, so we are only going to use and choose R. Find the number of ways in which the groups can be chosen if. So now before that, let's test our understanding. If we understand how to find the total number of ways to choose 8 diplomats, that would just be 12 choose 8, and then you will have your answer, even though this is not needed, but it might be needed in part of the question. Okay, so for part 1, if I only want 2 diplomats from K, the number of ways would be, now I have 3 diplomats from K, I will have to 3 choose 2. So now is whether you know your multiplication principle or additional principle. I need some more from L, I need another step, so I need N. N means times, all means up, all means plus. Okay, so in this case I need N. From 4 I can choose 3 because I want 3 from L, okay, as well as 3 from M. I will have 5, choose 3 as well, and then you will have your answer. Okay, the next part is if I want diplomats from L and M. So I have 4 person from L as well as 5 person from M. I'm not going to choose any, okay, from K. Okay, so in this case you need 2 cases. The number of ways, when I have 2 cases, I need to do the additional principle. The number of ways, the first case, if let's say I have 4L and 4M, okay, or if I have 3 from L, 5 from M, and that are the only 2 possibilities to choose 8 people from this group of 9 people. Okay, you can't have 5 person from L because there's only 4 person from L. You can't have 2 person from L because there's only 5 person from M, and then in total that will make up 7 only. So for L, that's 4 choose 4, there's only one way. Okay, multiply by 5 choose 4 plus 4 choose 3. From 4 people I can choose 3. There's 3 ways to, sorry, not 3 ways, there are more. The 4 choose 3 ways to pick 3 people out of 4, multiply by 5 choose 5, and that is also going to be 1, and then that is how you got your answer for part 2. Okay, for part 3, I want at least 4 diplomats from M. Okay, now when we see the word at least, of course we can use it, we can do it 2 ways. Though most of the time I will tell you that, when you see at least, we use the complement ways, which is I've used the total number of ways to minus if I have 4, if I have less than 4. Okay, but in this case it makes more sense to find out how many ways can I have from 4. Then you can actually put the 3 person from K plus 4 person from L together. That will be 7. Okay, so there are 7 people to choose from. Now I know that there are 5 person in M. So again, in this question, you need to have at least, you will have more than one case for this. The number of ways is going to be, so if let's say I choose 4 person from M, okay, I can have 4 person from K and L together. Okay, or if I have 5 person from M, I'm going to pick 3 person from K and L together. Okay, 4 person from M, that will be 5 choose 4, multiply by, at the start I already tell you that we lump the K and L together, that will be 7, 7 choose 4, that will make up your 8 people. Or what is the other scenario? 5 person from M choose 5, that's going to be 1. If you are comfortable with writing 1, that's totally fine, or not writing it at all. Alright, multiply by 3 person from L, that will be 7 choose 3, and you will get your answer for this. Okay, so for part 4, it's going to be a little bit more tricky. Okay, part 4, when I want to have at least 1 from each island. Okay, that would when you have a scenario, there's a lot of cases to consider, or at least one from each island means, or I could choose one from K, or two from K, or three from K, and then one from L, or two from L, or three from L, or one from M and two from, then there will be many combination, right? Then we are going to use the complement principle. Okay, now sidetrack a bit. In order to have node from K, if I have node from K, there are 4 from L and 5 from M to choose from. That is totally fine. Okay, that is totally fine. And if I have nobody from L, then I will have 3 from K as well as 5 from M to choose from. That is also totally fine. Okay, but if I have no from M, would that be possible? I only have 3 from K as well as 4 from L to choose from. In this case, it's not possible to have this way because this will only make up 7 people. Okay, so now that we know all our cases, we need to use the total number of ways at the start. That would be 12 choose 8 over here. Okay, total number of ways if I choose 8 people from 12 people minus away. Now, first scenario, if I have nobody from K, I can only choose, I have 9 people to choose from. Okay, I choose 8. Minus away another scenario, which is this scenario. If I choose nobody from L, that means all of the 8 people have to come in, right? There's only one possibility, and hence you are going to get your answer, okay, for this. So this question works on whether you know how to use combination, works on whether you know when to multiply and when to plus, and make sure you consider your cases properly. And at the last part, you know, you use the complement way. That means I find the total number of ways to minus if I have nobody from K or nobody from L to make up for the at least portion of this question.